Do you have an older iPhone? Well, if you do, then do this immediately. So first thing is going to be backing up your mobile device onto your iCloud. That way, when you upgrade your phone, you're going to have everything up to date by tapping right over here and heading to iCloud, and then simply heading to iCloud backup and clicking on Black Backup now. The other thing you need to immediately do is go ahead and update your iOS. So again, simply head into here and then simply go ahead and head into your iCloud and then check for update and so on. The other thing you need to do is simply go ahead and optimize your battery health, and that is by heading to settings, then searching for battery, just like that, and then turn on the and then head straight into battery health and then turn on the optimized battery charging to slow down battery aging. The other thing you need to do is free up some storage. So you can simply head into your general settings and then simply search for iPhone storage right over here. And now you can simply go ahead and clear the things that you don't really want over here. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.